There are many products available to choose French press coffee makers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best French press coffee makers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bodum Eileen French Press. The Bodum Eileen brewed a consistently well-rounded cup of coffee. Its stylistic and modern frame acts as an insulation layer to keep your coffee warmer for longer, and it protects the carafe from breaking. A common complaint with glass French presses, it has the same bones of the well-loved and ubiquitous Bodum Chambord French press, which we also tested and recommended. The stainless steel filter is sturdy, well-fitted, and pushes down with ease. It also leaves behind barely any sediment. The frame is available in black, chrome, gold, copper, and white. Number 2. Hamilton Beach French Press. This affordable French press makes coffee with strong, bold flavors. Our tasters even notice some crema, the top layer of froth often found in well-extracted espresso. The Hamilton Beach French press features a large vessel with a generous amount of space over the maximum fill line, guaranteeing that no hot liquids will accidentally spew out while plunging. It was one of the few French presses in our tests that has clearly visible liquid measurement lines, so that you don't have to pre-measure water. Another noteworthy feature is the frother attachment for making hot cocoa that can be swapped in for the coffee filter. Take note, all parts can be washed in the dishwasher, but do not use the high heat setting as it can damage the plastic frame and lid. Number 3. Espro P7 French Press. We held our breath knowing that most stainless steel French presses make a jarring scraping sound when plunging, but the Espro P7 doesn't. The double microfilter, the finest and only non-metal filter we tested, has a silicone lip that fits snugly inside the carafe. We recommend separating the two microfilters with a simple unlock and twist, with each cleaning to make sure all the residual oils and sediment are removed. There's generous space above the max fill line to avoid spills and double-walled insulation to keep your coffee hot. It consistently brews a smooth and delicious cup of coffee. And of all of the French presses we tested, this one made the hottest coffee. Number 4. SterlingPro French Press. If you want great tasting coffee that stays hot while brewing, we recommend the SterlingPro French Press. It boasts a double-wall stainless steel carafe and lid that kept our coffee at an impressive 167 F after 30 minutes. Our testers noted that this maker produced coffee with a great mouthfeel. We love that this French press offers measurement lines so you know how much water you are adding to the carafe. Like many all-stainless steel French presses, the metal filter makes a scraping sound as it plunges inside the carafe. Number 5. OXO GroundsLifter French Press. Our tasters unanimously gave coffee brewed in this OXO French press 2 thumbs up. It was full-bodied, flavorful, and smooth. This French press features a soft, non-slip carafe handle that feels comfortable and sturdy. In our tests, the wide and flat plunger made it easy to push the filter down. It also features a BPA-free GroundsLifter, which helps remove the used coffee grounds from the bottom of the glass, so you don't have to scoop them out with another tool or by shaking. Before brewing, be sure to align the GroundsLifter, filter, and lid to prevent coffee grounds from slipping into your coffee. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.